Alright guys, I just recently got these plastic cups with lids and straws. They come in this box like this. We have 2 sleeves of cups and a sleeve of lids, and if you look down there, there's all those straws also. So I'm going to take one out and show you what they look like. Alright, here's just 1 cup, 1 lid, and 1 straw. The straw comes in that stereotypical paper that you'll find whenever you go to a restaurant or something like that. The cup is bendable. It's not like completely rigid, although the top is pretty firm and the base is pretty firm as well, so should give you plenty of support for the liquid. Here's the lid. You can see some markings on it. Shows like, if it's recyclable, that kind of thing. Lid fits good on the cup, which is exactly what we want to see. The cup is about 5.5 inches tall, and the diameter is right at 3 3/4 inches in diameter. That lid is going to fit, like I said, really good and snugly on top. Shouldn't have a problem with leakage or anything like that. They are 20 ounces, so let's see how much liquid we could fit inside. Alright, here we have 16 ounces and 4 more ounces of water. Let's pour all this in and see if this cup holds it all. Whoa, there's 16. I'm not sure it's going to hold 4 more. It's getting pretty close to the top. Well, just barely. So 20 ounces does go all the way to the rim. So I would say, filling it up to maybe 18 ounces is probably filling it up to its capacity. Let's see if I can get the lid on it. Actually does get the lid on it with 20 ounces. So if you wanted to put 20 ounces of liquid in there, it does work. Let's get the straw in there. Like I said, stereotypical paper on the straw, just like in the restaurants and things. And I did notice the straw has a slight point there, so it does have that ability to puncture through. And the straw goes in, a little bit of water comes up after you do that. Let's take a sip. Works just fine as a cup. Now, it actually claims to be leak-proof, although with a hole there at the top, of course, it's going to leak through that if you let it go through. But as far as the rim here, it is not coming out there. So I would say that's accurate. It's leak-proof as far as the seal from the lid to the cup. Obviously, you don't want to turn these upside down because it will leak through where the straw goes in. But yeah, seems like a good cup. Holds, like I said, plenty of water, plenty of liquid, and it's got a good tight seal there. So yeah, good cup and lid. I like it.